How do we reconcile when we participate and say we support the rights of Mother Earth, the rights of all the ingredients of nature, when it's involving the privatization of nature? How do we get permission from the river saying, we're going to privatize the river now? Can I get your permission, river? Give me permission to privatize you. Can I privatize the air and carbon trading? Anytime you treat anything as a commodity, in this situation, air, carbon, methane, you have to determine whose property right that is. It's as simple as that. It's a property right issue. And how do we reconcile that? That's where this world is going to, I'm sorry to say. Now they're having conventions all over on nature as capital, nature, financialization of nature. Medicines have a value. And some people are concerned that a medicine in this modern system will have more of an economic value than an indigenous person in the forests of the Amazon. How is it that we're coming to that kind of a system? So that's why this movement for understanding and evaluating our relationship as everyone, human beings, to the sacredness and creative principle of Mother Earth and Father Sky is very critical, important that we understand that.